Are you ready to master SONiC, the rapidly growing open-source network operating system? Welcome to the Enterprise SONiC Bootcamp, a comprehensive and practical training program designed for network professionals. Why choose the SONiC Linux Bootcamp? Experience hands-on learning with extensive lab sessions, where you'll engage in real-world scenarios, configuring and managing SONiC-based networks. Learn from industry guru Volker Scheel, with over 25 years of network engineering experience. His expertise will help you navigate the complexities of SONiC with ease. Advance your career and become a certified SONiC system administrator, a credential that's highly valued in today's data center industry. Our 3-day bootcamp agenda covers everything you need to know as a system administrator, from SONiC introduction and configuration, advanced routing and automation, to VXLAN, EVPN, and troubleshooting. You can also enroll in the optional Extended Campus course, which focuses on campus networking, including power over Ethernet, port access control, and advanced topics like LLDP MED and DHCP snooping. This Extended Campus course is held the following day, once the 3-day bootcamp has been completed. This bootcamp is ideal for network engineers, IT professionals, and system administrators looking to enhance their skills in open networking and the SONiC network operating system. Don't miss this opportunity to enhance your skills and advance your career. The future of networking is here, and it's open source. Join the Enterprise SONiC Bootcamp and transform your career with in-demand skills. We look forward to seeing you at the bootcamp.